Hi friends, today we have a beautiful modification of a Thar. You can guess which car is that. I want to show you that car now, which is the Thar Roxx.
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗಡೆನೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
We have modified this beast, that is the Thar Roxx, most wanted car of the year, into something fantastic and beastful. So let me show in this video what work has been done at RS Car Modifiers and what quality of work also is provided by RS Car Modifiers. The video can be made into different parts, so let me start in the front profile, which most of the Thar Roxx customer is actually complaining of, is the lighting solution which comes in the car. In this car, we have given an option of two lightings. One is the fog lamp, one is the auxiliary light with the caps installed in it. So let me just show you what we have installed in this. In the fronts, as the stock lights are very pathetic and cannot give a good throw, what we have installed as usual is the Ozum 4090, a triple lens fog lamp which comes with a very high power equal to 120 watts. So that is the first upgradation which we have done in this car. In the auxiliary lamp, what we have first installed is the Proman rotatable mount, and we are going to install the two TH03, one of the most powerful auxiliary lights which is available in the market for off-roading, and it also comes with a cover so that you don't have to disturb anything on the road as well. And this is one of the best lighting solution. So the TH03 as well as with the 4090 is going to completely light up the road for the customer. To enhance the look of the vehicle and have a useful accessories for just cleaning up the car as well as giving a rugged look, what we have gone is two things. One is the side inches. It's a type 2 side inches of Proman. Again, you can see the quality we have matched with the color of the car as well, and we have gone with this elegant and the most rugged footstep which is available in the market, that is also from Proman. So we have done that on the side profile so that the vehicle looks rugged, and all these accessories are useful to the customer as well. To enhance the look of the wheels as well as to give a good stability for the customer when he is doing an off-road or an on-road trip, we have gone to the change of the tires as well as the alloys. So the best name in the market is Yokohama, so we have gone with the Yokohama Geolander, as well as the one of the best alloys available in the market to have a look and the stability is the mud-on wheels. So we have installed both in this Thar Roxx. So the customer wanted a very good looking luggage carrier to carry his luggage for his off-road or an on-road trip. As usual, what we have suggested them is this sleek and a properly fitting Thar Roxx carrier from Proman. You can see the fit and finish of it. It looks fabulous while you are driving the car, as well as it is also going to be, it is useful to carry all the luggage which is required for a very long trip. In the backside, we have done a lot of things to just give the look to the vehicle. One of the such thing is the roof carrier light from Proman. You can see this beautiful roof carrier light which looks elegant when you drive during the night. It is going to give a little bit of light on the backside as well. In the middle, what we have also done is the tire carrier from Bimra, which we have attached to this vehicle as well, so that it is going to give a better look as well as the stability to the vehicle. Then what we have also done is this beautiful tail lamp. Again, looks like the original, but it comes with the lighting as well. To just subdue that, what we have also done is the reflector light. All in all, on the back side, it is more about the looks and the stability of the vehicle. If you're going for an off-road or a very long trip, the one of the most what the customer asked me is the jerry can, which is going to be useful for carrying your petrol, diesel or water. So we have, as usual, put a mold which is going to come on the sideways again from Proman, with a opener as well as a jerry can, again with an holder of Proman, just carrying this off. So if you are looking this kind of an accessories, it is available with RS Car Modifiers, and we believe in the quality of Proman. So you would have seen all my videos of Thar Roxx, and this is one kind of a Thar which we have modified, and we are privileged to say that we have done more than 500 Thar Roxx modification in the last 6 to 7 months. If you are also owner of a Thar Roxx